Hi, here is an idea how can you insulate with this bubble wrap. There's a lot of different methods out there online, and I've considered all of them. Well, not all of them, most of them. So this is what I did. Is that bubble wrap insulation? It's what they use on my ceiling, and we had a little bit of leftover, so this is what I was trying to do because I didn't want it flush with the metal studs. That way I can put some that way I can frame it inside. So I saw a guy using these for the rigid foam, and I said, well, it can work for this bubble wrap. Now it's I just did this trial over here, just this section, pretty easy, but it's not gonna work on my setup over here because, as you see, I have like a 2-inch gap over here, and this guy is only set up for about like an inch off from the metal. Let me show you how I did it. I got a bag of these guys over here from good old Amazon. So what I did was, you take one of these are 2x2, cut a piece of foam, you stab it over there like so, put some glue over here, Gorilla Glue. Actually I'm using some construction adhesive, and you just, you put it back here. You put it back there like so. Just hold it for like a minute until it grabs a little bit. It's got a 24-hour cure time, that glue that I was using. Then you put one of these washers on top. All right. Then you cut this whatever is left and cap it with this. The idea behind this foam is that you put it like right here, and then you got your this is like a 1-inch air gap, which everybody talks about it. Some of them say it will sweat, some of them say it won't sweat, but anyways, so that's it. That's how I did it. They hold pretty good. You still got your space back there, but like I said, in my situation, it's not gonna work because these guys are a little bit farther. I didn't plan it right. I could have put it here or whatever, but yeah, I'm gonna do the rest differently. I hope that helps.